but I try to mix it to make it more colorful.
Sauteing the garlic and we're getting it golden brown, and this is for our squash, our zucchini and yellow squash. Now we're adding the zucchini and the yellow squash to the golden garlic. And stir it well. Add a little bit of salt to the zucchini, not too much, because the sauce, the yogurt sauce, is going to be salty. Add some water if necessary, not very much, about a quarter of a cup.
Because we're gonna eat this one. Cover it.
Cover it. Checking on our zucchini and our yellow squash, and it's cooking away. Now we're adding the Jamil sauce to the zucchini and the yellow squash, and we strained it, and we're letting it cook a little more of the yogurt sauce if necessary to the squash. Some dried mint to the yogurt sauce, and that's a pretty generous amount for the flavor. At one point you want to check the zucchini and make sure it's tender. Some of the secret spice that supposedly you can get at Alibaba, and it's called Mansaf spice or shawarma spice, but this is made by Sakha's mother in Jordan, so you're never going to find it anywhere here.